Jal Jeevan adds 1 lakh water connections daily, 3 crore houses covered in first year, says officials. Drop by drop. Jal Jeevan Mission, which aims to provide assured tap water supply to every rural household by 2024, has reached 32% coverage. Total number of households rural covered are 19.06 crore. Households with tap connections as on August 15, 2019, 3.24 crore, 16.98%. Households with tap connections as on December 25, 2020, 6.16 crore, 32.3%. Top 5 states with high coverage are Goa 100%, Telangana, Puducherry, Haryana and Gujarat. Since its launch in August 2019, the center's ambitious flagship scheme Jal Jeevan Mission, which is in partnership with states, seeks to ensure that every rural households of the country get assured drinking water supply by 2024, has achieved 33.3% coverage of tap connections in rural India, emerging as a key scheme in the Narendra Modi government's second term. Modi government is almost replicating the implementation of its flagship scheme of building toilets in the first term in providing tap water connections in every rural households in the country. In its second term, in its first term from 2014 to 2019, Center reportedly built over 11 crore toilets in the country. The actual implementation started on December 25, 2019 with release of operational guidelines for the implementation of Jal Jeevan Mission in almost a year despite COVID-19 pandemic and lockdown as well as restrictions. More than 3 crore households have been provided with tap water connections, said Director of Jal Jeevan Mission Bharat Lal, a top official tasked with the implementation of the ambitious scheme. 32.3% coverage. With this as a now 6.15 crore 33.3% households of the country are getting the tap water supply into their homes. Every year, more than 3 crore households are being given tap water connections. This is speed and scale on which the mission is being implemented. Almost 1 lakh new connections are getting added on daily basis. The state government have been taken this very seriously and have focused their efforts on its scheme delivery, Mr. Lal, a Gujarat cadre forest service officer, told Hindu. According to him, there are many challenges in implementing the scheme nationally. Out of the total 731 districts, 256 districts and 1592 blocks have been classified as water stressed or drought prone. The state government and local bodies, panchayats, will also have to protect the source of water to be supplied to the households. The government has emphasized protecting local water bodies to be used as a source of supply. To ensure its implementation without any funding crunch, in 2021, a sum of 23,500 crore has been allocated for implementation of the Jal Jeevan Mission. Besides this, in 2021, 50% of 15th Finance Commission grants to rural local bodies, that is 30,375 as a tide grant, will be utilized for water supply and sanitation. So this is all about the Jal Jeevan Mission accomplishments in as of December 2025. In its 1 year of its completion, it has nearly completed 32%, 32.3% of the coverage.